Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is regarding XELA, ticker symbol XELA, which is for Exela Technologies, and this is the stock I have been covering a lot for last few weeks, and also like in my community board we have been talking about XELA because this is the one we made a lot of money, and again I'm so excited that we will make again a lot of money because this thing is looking really nice. So in this particular video I will talk about the price action, support, resistance, and why I'm predicting there will be a breakout. At the same time, something about the company if you really want to invest, and also just a plan talking about call option and what people are predicting in near future. Are they predicting $5, $7? So what's coming in the pipeline? So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, XELA is something really nice, and if you see on Friday it was down by 6.9%, and if you are following XELA then you know that 2.6 was important support, but on Friday it gapped down and it came down all the way. But the good thing is it has been going sideways with a floor around 2.36. Whenever it comes to 2.36 is bounce off, so it has been going sideways. But again, end of the day you see some little bit of a spike in volume, nothing major, but again this is how it is moving, right? Looking at a 5 days, you can see it went up, came down, and everything. So I will talk more about the price action, but before I go there, just want to show you something why I'm getting excited, because I'm showing you here on a 15-minute candles, and you can see that how it is moving and how there is a channel formed here. So that most likely it will break. I will come back again, as I said. So let's look at a daily chart for XELA. What we can see here, it went at 1.7, it went all the way to close to $8, again came down within few days and moved sideways. But this time it is not like before, it took some time to go up. It went all the way to 5.2, but look at the volume burst. It was only 2 days previously, but this time it is more days, so it has some volume. It went close to $5-6. Now the volume is dying and the share price is also coming down. If you look at a daily RSI, you can see that the RSI went around 76, and in my previous videos I talked that the RSI of 75, 76, it is the floor, because most of the time when it goes there it comes down, and it is coming down. So we made money, we came back. And by the way, if you are not in my YouTube community, you can always go to my channel, you can always join, and you can see the community board here. You can become a member and you can get member specific posts. It costs only $3 for the entry level and $5 for daily trade ideas. And if you scroll through, you will see I post a lot about support, resistance, some trade ideas like, okay, get in now, get it out. If it break the floor, it might come down more. So many things. Even for XELA we have been playing, you see XELA. So I was just cautioning my members. So anyway, so if you're a member, then definitely you will get access. Give a try. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. That's not a big deal. Okay, so looking at the RSI, seems like it has been coming down. It might come down even more, but this is okay. At the same time, look at the MACD here. The MACD is coming down, and again there is no sign of recovery, but it might have found the floor. This is important, I want to talk. So let's turn on the support, resistance, and everything. And sorry, it's a mess because we have been doing lots of day trading and swing trading, so I have so many support and resistance here. But anyway, the important thing is 2.6 was important floor for us, and 2.6 is broken, so it came down all the way to 2.3 and currently around 2.4. What is the next bottom support? I'm eyeing around 2.1 area, because if it comes down, maybe it will bounce from 2.1, because you can see that previously 2.1 was a resistance here, then it became a support, again a support, again a support, then the support became resistance, and now it can become again a support. So if 2.1 is broken, worst case it can come back to 1.9. you can see it recently it was at $3, came back to 1.9 and bounced from 1.9 all the way to 5.4. so again, these are the levels I have been watching. So one other thing before I move, look at the candle here. Look at the candle. There is no upper wick, there is a big bottom wick, and seems like some people call it a dragonfly candle. It's a bullish thing, most probably it will go higher. Let me see if I can find any bullish candle here. Maybe there is. maybe there is, but anyway, the important thing, it has been coming down, and I think this is a good time if you really want to get in around 2.1 if it comes here, or 1.9, or if you're holding, then why not. Anyway, so looking at the chart, you see it has been making lower highs. At the same time, it has been making lower lows. So that is why the entire thing is coming. But with time, the gap between these two lines was higher. With time, it has been becoming smaller and smaller. And it might come down a little bit, who knows. But at one point, it has to go either way. Either it goes upward or it goes downward. I'm predicting it will go upward. And why? Because it has been beaten a lot. It has come down a lot, and I think this is the time it should go up. Most probably it has found a floor around 2.3, but worst case it can come around 2.1, the level I talked about. 2.1, it comes, then moves sideways, and boom, it goes up again. Very interesting. If you think you want to enter, then wait for a breakout, or if you are still here, then just wait till it finds the bottom. But again, I know many of you are very excited and you are holding XELA around $2-3. Again, you will get a very good deep buying opportunity. I'm very excited. Why? Let me show you something why I'm so excited. So this is Fintel, and you can see that the short volume ratio, the short interest, is currently at 27.6%, which is really high. Anything over 20 is a short squeeze candidate. If I go down, you can see some other things here, that during each trading day, what was the percentage of short volume. So last Friday, 16 million shares were traded and 5.6 was short volume, which is 34% of the volume was short. If you look at previous days, it was more like 48, 48, 46. So now maybe you see all the 50s, then you see 40. Maybe the short volume ratio will be less in coming days. We will see, but this is just, I just wanted to share. Looking at the volume, so if you look at a daily volume here, so the yellows are the candle here. So whenever there is a big volume, you see the rise in price. Again, big volume, rise in price, and consistently it has been getting more volume. Now the thing is, can the volume continue? If more volume comes, then definitely XELA will go upward. And why I'm so excited, let's have a look at the option chart. So this, I'm showing you the option chart for August 20th expiry date, and look at the open interest. So there are 15.5, so 15,000 call options that is still waiting for XELA to hit $5, and they are not even closed, they are still open. So they are predicting XELA will go to $5. If I move to September 17th call option, look at again 2,300 call options that is still waiting for XELA to hit $5. And why $5? Let's go back to the chart now. So looking like this, $5 is something around here, right? The previous top. Now it has come down a lot. Do you think it can go to $5? I don't know, but maybe from this point it can easily go to 3.2 or 4 area. This is what I'm thinking. And for swing traders, I think this is a very good opportunity. So if you want to buy a call option, I would say take a long expiry date. Maybe try something end of December of this year or March of 2022. The premiums are not that expensive. If you think they are predicting $5 by next 1 month, in that case, if you take the March 2022, you will have 238 days to expire. You can still take the 5 strike price. You just have to pay $75 for one call option. So buy it and forget it. Or you can also see that for the 2.5 strike price, there is like 1,500 open interest. Again, up to you. The call options are not very expensive. So if you want, you can take a long expiry date. You can buy it and buy and forget. If it goes $5, $6, who knows? You will just make money and you will get out. On the other hand, buying a long leap option, you do not have to check the price each and every day. Whenever there is a long spike, you will just sell. You can set a limit sell order saying that when my profit will be 100%, just sell. Something like this. Easy, right? By the way, if we do day trade or swing trade, we do not look what is the company, and just wanted to show you the XELA. This is Exela Technologies. So what they are rapidly deployable business process automation solutions. And if you look here, they have all of the list of all of their previous solutions. Quickly, I looked at investor place report, which was on July 7th. So XELA stock, could Exela Technologies become the next GameStop? That's big. 7 things for investors to know. So I'm just gonna go through this list if you really want to know about the company. So this is a global business process automation company. It was created in 2002 via a merger. The company currently serves more than 4,000 customers across 50 countries. This includes more than 60% of the Fortune 100 companies. Recent news includes it raised $85 million from its $150 million at the market equity program launched on June 30th, 2021. We know about this, right? So the price came down, but it did not matter because the price went up again. So they got a lot of cash. It plans to use this fund to reduce its debt by $25 million and fund future opportunities. Exela Technologies also notes that it has $205 million of cash and cash equivalent on hand at the end of June. So this is, you just need to know if you're really investing on this particular company. And they have an earning. Most probably the earning is coming on 12th of August. So we will see how the earning will play out. Now the last thing, instead of day, let's look at the hourly chart here. So again, on the hourly chart, it has been coming down. So most probably it has found a floor around 2.36. But again, we need to see how things are moving. It might come back to 2.1. I'm just waiting to enter again at 2.1 and 1.9. So far, it was a good trade for me. Looking at the RSI at 1 hour, you see the RSI is barely as 30. So anything below 30 is oversold. So keep that in mind. Also look at the 1 hour chart here. The MACD is about to cross. Most probably it will cross and you will see some green candles. Again, if you're a day trader, keep an eye, and also for swing trader, it might be a good opportunity for you. Also, I know the Reddit community for XELA, they are buying and holding, and just go and check the Reddit community. I like the community because I get so many good information from there. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also give a try. You can join my community and you can see my daily trade ideas pre-market most of the time and also during the daytime. So again, next week, end of July, I will not be available. So again, if you want, you can join now, or if you want, you can join from the first week of August. It costs only $3 for the entire month, 10 cents a day. Who cares if it 5 days, like 50 cents. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.